Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps 4x6 FaDoodle Rainbow Set. I am crazy about this stamp set. It has two rainbows, as you can see here. The outline rainbow is the largest, measuring 3¼ inches wide by 2 inches high, with that solid rainbow measuring about 1/16 of an inch smaller. You're getting some clouds, stars, and 4 sentiments, and makes this the perfect addition to your stamp stash. I love all the FaDoodle stamp sets for so many reasons. I love the sketchy, whimsical feel. They're perfect for stamping your own pattern papers with different colors of ink. They're great for adding fun elements to all of the Whimsy images and die sets. Now, I have samples of both to share with you. Here I stamped details onto the card base in my colors matching the die cut pieces from the new Spaceship die set. I'm loving all of the bold space cards I've been seeing, but I wanted to share a softer version with you. So I used a few of the clouds and stars along with the words dream and believe to fill in that background and create some visual interest. Now, this second card I have here is one of my all-time favorite cards. And I just did some very easy stamping, creating this very trendy rainbow. Now, you've probably seen these referred to as boho rainbows or abstract. Either way, you can create quick and easy cards with this stamp set. Now, for more information on the products I've shared in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the link in the description box below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to see you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. And until next time, please take care.